All right, we're going to do an absolute value inequality where we've got the absolute value of 3k plus 1 greater than or equal to 2. A couple of things to remember. You need to get your absolute value by itself. So if you have anything that you're adding to or subtracting from, or if you're multiplying something by your absolute value, you got to take care of all those numbers on the outside first. And then you need to remember that when you have absolute values, the absolute value of something less than or equal to a number means it's inside, and greater than or equal to a number means it's outside. And remember, inside would be you're basically it's going to be an I'm sorry, it's going to be an sorry. my brain just kind of stopped there. Inside means it means it's going to be an and statement. Outside would mean it's going to be an or statement. Okay. All right, so for this example, the absolute value is already by itself, and we are a greater than or equal to, so we are an outside. So really what you're going to do is you're going to write two inequalities. You're going to write two inequalities, and then you're going to just go ahead and say, okay, you've got your 3k plus 1. Your first inequality, you're actually going to write less than or equal to, and you're going to take that number and you're going to make it negative. So less than or equal to a negative 2, and then 3k, or 3k plus 1 greater than or equal to 2. That's the easier one to write. It's just, the expression greater than or equal to whatever was already there. And then you just have to solve both of them. So I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I'll get a 3k less than or equal to a negative 3. And I'll divide both sides by 3, and I will get a k less than or equal to a negative 1. Or when I go over here and solve over here, I've got a negative, I'm subtracting 1 from both sides. So 3k greater than or equal to a 1. Divide both sides by 3, and I get a k greater than or equal to a 1/3. So my two numbers in question on my number line are a negative 1 and a positive 1/3. And k is less than or equal to, so closing that circle, less than or equal to a negative 1, or greater than or equal to the 1/3.